Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. So we have seen quite a bit of a spike here, probably as a result to that possible debt limit agreement in the US. So we start friendly into Sunday, which is rare. Yeah, normally Sunday is as boring as Saturday. So it's good to see some movement. Yeah, price is approaching the bullish signal level now at 38 cents. That's for me a very important level because it is the high of the wave 4, 38 cents. I mean, if this really isn't a diagonal to the downside, the wave 4 could theoretically go higher, but certainly a break above that existing wave 4 high would lift the chances for a direct bullish breakout. To be honest, due to the general situation and the environment in which we currently are, I'm highly skeptical of a direct bullish breakout. But anyway, we turned around in the trend reversal area if this follows through, and I'm happy with that. It's just that at the moment this move up would be a very, very ugly start of an impulse, but it's okay. I did show you a possible bullish count in yesterday's video, so feel free to check that out for a little bit more context. But certainly we looked at this expanding descending wedge in previous videos, this sort of channel wedge pattern, and price broke out of this wedge pattern now, yeah. So that is certainly, or it at least has bullish implications. And if we break above 38 cents, then we can track a possible bullish outcome or bullish scenario with a little bit more confidence. But I don't like the look of the move down, and it doesn't look finished. I just have to say that. Nevertheless, we entered the trend reversal area for the current scenario. And if it follows through now, it's doing what we wanted, which is a turnaround in the trend reversal area. But first of all, price needs to break above 38 cents and sustain there. And it seems to want to do it, right? It seems to be on the way to doing that. In that case, this would not be an A, B, C structure to the downside. I would then count it as a WXY structure, yeah, which finished here. But we talked about that possibility before, which is also why we talked about a possible bullish scenario, just to show you how would the bullish scenario look like again. So it would include a leading diagonal in a wave 1, yeah, to the top of the 15th of May, then an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and a C wave down. That could have normally finished the wave 2. However, because we made a lower low, this got extended and therefore only qualifies as a WXY structure. It also came down lower than would be ideal for a wave 2, which is why I'm skeptical that this is going to work out. But it always can, you know, there's always a chance. Just recognize that the possibility exists. And if this really is the bullish count, which we're going to track above 38 cents, then it would need to rally to the 1.618 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, which would be 39.9 cents to give us further confidence into this wave count. And then the wave 4 should ideally avoid an overlap with wave 1. And then we should get a wave 5. And as soon as we have these wave 5 or 5 waves, it would increase confidence into a direct bullish breakout. And then we get our next trade setup, which would be the ABC structure to the downside. Yeah, basically a wave 1 to the upside and a wave 2 to the downside. And that's basically it. So at the moment, we need to observe the 38 cent level. Above that level, we can consider at least a larger bounce. This could, of course, be, and that's the unfortunate situation we're in, just a larger correction. And if this is going to be a larger correction, then we will have resistance, which is also what needs to be closely observed, into the region between 40.4 cents and 43.6. Yeah, but we need to take these two things into consideration. We need to consider, okay, what kind of structure do we get to the upside? And if we get a 5-wave move up, it is likely not a correction to the upside. If we only get a 3-wave move up into resistance, see rejection there, and it's not a 5 but a 3-wave move, then we consider, okay, we do something like that. We came down here, do this and do that. Okay, just be aware of that as well. But then this is not a problem because this is the turnaround or trend reversal area. So anybody who entered here could then just simply manage risk, move up the stop loss, take some partial profits in resistance, and then, you know, just manage risk. That's it. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.